Today I'm going to show you how to make microwave brownies. The ingredients you will need are 150 grams of melted butter, 100 grams of flour, 65 grams of cocoa powder, 2 whipped eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 200 grams of sugar, brown or white. First, add the butter, sugar, cocoa and vanilla extract to a large bowl and mix well. After mixing, add the eggs and flour and mix well. Then, after mixing, take a microwave safe dish and cover it with butter. Coat it. After that, spoon in the brownie mixture. After pouring it in, spread it out like this. Then pop it in a microwave and cook it on high power for about 5 minutes. After about 3 minutes, you'll get the smell of it baking. After it finishes, it may look uncooked, but leave it for about 10 minutes to get cool. After about 3 minutes, you get the smell of it baking. After it finishes, it may look uncooked, but leave it for about 10 minutes to get cool. After cooling down, you can cut it into any size you want. I prefer the size I have cut. And I hope you like this. And please tell us what you think in the comments below. And please subscribe. Thanks for watching.